This is Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Points, Lines, and Planes. So the first thing we want to look at here is the term undefined terms. Now the reason these are referred to as undefined terms is because you cannot technically see them. So when you talk about a point is merely a location, okay? That means you cannot necessarily see it. Now we represent points here with a dot. You name a point by a capital letter. Make sure you remember that. A line is made up of points. So if points have no shape or size, they're just a location, then a line has no thickness or width. It's made up of things that have no size. So a line, though, we represent with what we typically call a line. The thing you want to make sure of, put arrows on both ends. How do you name a line? You can name a line with a lowercase, italicized letter, or you can name it with 2 points. Now if you do 2 points, you can write the word line, or you can put the line symbol with those points. The only thing you have to remember is the points have to be on the line itself, and again, it doesn't matter the order of the 2 points. The last undefined term is referred to as a plane, and a plane is just made up of points and lines, an infinite number. It looks like a flat surface, but it actually extends in all directions. A plane can be named by a capital italicized letter, or it can be named by 3 points that are in the plane. When you name it by those 3 points, you need to write the word plane. And again, the order of the points does not matter. Other terms, collinear. Co means together. Think about the word coexist. Things go together. So collinear are points that are on the same line. Coplanar are points that are on the same plane. So if they are non-collinear, non-coplanar, non means not, that means they're not on the same line or not on the same plane. So here we look at intersections. Okay, so when 2 lines intersect, they intersect at a point. When 2 planes intersect, they intersect in a line. And there are other intersections that can occur, and we'll look at some here in these examples. So right here we see we're going to do problem number 2, a line containing point Z. So it says use the figure to name each of the following. A line containing point Z. So here's the point Z. This is the line that contains it. So we could write a couple of things here. We could either write line RZ with a line symbol over it, or we could also write line L because it's a lowercase italicized letter. Remember, the order of the 2 points doesn't matter here. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to number 5 here. What's the object that would represent a floor? The floor would be like a plane, a flat surface. Go to number 7. Plane Z contains lines X, Y, and W. Lines X and Y intersect at a point, V, and lines X and W intersect at a point, P. Okay, so how would you represent that? By drawing it. So I'm going to draw kind of like a flat surface. That's my plane Z. I need to draw lines X and Y. So here is line X. Here is line Y. And they intersect at a point V. But also lines X and W intersect at a point P. So I'm going to draw the line W right here, and then it intersects line X here at the point P. So learning how to draw things, okay. Let's continue on here. So using this figure, how many planes are shown in the figure. So you're counting the number of sides of the figure. So you have 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3, this rectangle, the bottom would be a rectangle 4, and then the left side right here would be a rectangle 5. So how many planes? This one has 5 because it's got 5 sides. Let's go to question 11. Are points B, D, and F coplanar? So let's find B, D, and then I have to move this over a little bit, and then F. Okay, so if they're coplanar, that means they're on the same face or side. Well, B, D, and F are on that triangle on the back here. So are they coplanar? And the answer would be yes, they are. So those are just some quick examples of Lesson 1.1 dealing with undefined terms.